25 Math Prodigy. This is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 4 on ratio. So this question over here today is this: Abel and Cain shared some money in the ratio 1:4. So that means if Abel gets $1, Cain would have gotten $4, you see. Now they said when Cain gave Abel $36, they had the same amount of money. So the question is, how much did they have all together? Now, don't get scared, okay? Let's just read it again and just put it into easier terms. So you say Abel and Cain shared some money in the ratio 1:4. In other words, Abel has 1 unit and Cain has 4 units. Very good. And they say when Cain gave Abel $36, they had the same amount of money. So how do we make that look the same? So let me draw this out so that it becomes so much more clear to you. Okay, so this is Abel, okay, and this is Cain. They both look alike. Okay, then let's draw one horn here for Abel and one halo here for Cain. Oh, so nice. Okay, ha 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 ha. Okay, so this is Abel and this is Cain. Abel is 1, Cain is 4. Okay, let's take a look again. Yep, correct. Now, in the drawing of your model, it's going to be something like this: Abel and Cain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct? Good. Now, it says that later, when Cain gave Abel $36, they had what? They had the same amount of money. So let's imagine this. If Abel and Cain were to give, if Abel and Cain were to have the same amount of money, in other words, they would have something along the lines of this. Am I right? Something along the lines of this. Something like that. Okay, 1:1. In other words, they are equal. So the question is, how do we go from here to here? Alright? So let's take a look. If Cain gives 1 box of money, let's just imagine this is a box of money. Let's say Cain gives 1 box of money to Cain. So this box, it disappears and it goes to Cain. Do we have equal? No, we have 2 and 3. So is that equal? No. So if we give Cain, if we take out another box from Cain and we give to Abel, is that equal now? No, because now Abel will have more. So what's the solution? Come on, think outside the box. All you have to do is divide it into half. Okay, and you give this away to to Abel. And then you have what? You have 2.5 to 2.5. Or in other words, 1:1. Like that. It come out like that. See? So, in that case, all we have to understand is, 4 units plus 1 unit equals to 5 units. If they were to be shared equally, you have to simply divide it by 2 to get 2.5 units. Okay, units. So what this means is, in order for them to have equal number of units, they must each have 2.5. But Abel had only 1. Therefore, 2.5 units minus 1 unit is the amount that Mr. Cain very kindly topped up from his own savings, from his own money, into Abel's account. Therefore, 1.5 units is equals to what? $36. If you got it right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. So to find 1 unit, you simply just take $36 divided by 1.5. And in this case, you get what? Take a calculator. 36 divided by 1.5 is 1.5, and that gives you $24. $24. So if 1 unit is $24, the question asks you for what is it in total. In total, they have 5 units, as we've seen here. Therefore, 5 units is equals to $24 times 5. The answer is $120. Bam! And that is the answer. It's simple. It's pretty simple. Once you draw it out, it becomes very simple. But remember, it just becomes very instinctive to me. It becomes very natural to me after a lot of time. Time at home, time in school, time at the supplementary classes, time in the library, time in the bus studying, all these things. It's time that I spent already to get good results, to get good things. And that's why I must remind you, the quote of the week is, good things take time. That this is Coach Saiful encouraging you to take time to do good stuff and saying that you are a math prodigy. Good job.